Okay, so let's look at one more mechanism before our test tomorrow. So this is a fast equilibrium first step, a slow step, and then a fast step. So first, our overall equation, we're going to cancel out anything that we see on both sides of the equation. So I see a D in the products, D in the reactants, F in the products, F in the reactants. Everything else gets carried down. So 2A, and then I've got 2 B's, and then after the arrow E and G. So that's my overall equation. What are the intermediates? The intermediates are the things that we crossed out. So we made them and then we used them up. So D and F in this case. What is the slow step? Oh, that should say what is the rate determining step, and it's always the slow step. And then what is your overall rate law? Show your work. So the rate determining step is always the slow step. So if we were to just look at that, our slow step would be rate is equal to the rate constant times the concentration of D and the concentration of B, because there's one of each. However, we said D was an intermediate, and so it cannot be part of the overall rate law. So now we're going to go to our equilibrium step, and we know that equilibrium, the rate of the forward reaction is equal to the rate of the reverse reaction. So we're going to write a little statement that shows that. So we're going to say K1, because this is step 1, times the concentration of A squared, because it's 2A, times the concentration of B, is equal to, and now we're going to look at the products going the other way. So K minus 1, because it's first step, but in the reverse reaction, and then D. So D is what we want to replace. So we're going to get it by itself. And then we're going to take this whole piece and plug it into this equation instead of the letter D. So rate equals K. And then we're going to do K1 over K minus 1, A squared, B, and then don't forget to put that other B in there as well, okay? Now that looks kind of icky, so I'm going to simplify it. I'm going to combine all my rate constants to just 1. And then my A squared, and instead of writing B twice, I'm going to write it as B squared. There we go. That is our proposed mechanism. Let me know if you have any other questions on that. You will see one like this on your test.